Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Scale Modeling with Mike Ashe. This evening we're going to do something a little bit different. I have scanned all of the parts associated with this beautiful Airfix kit of a 1/24 scale F6F Hellcat. And I got to tell you, as I've scanned it, I looked at the parts real close, and I got to say, this is one hell of a Hellcat. So instead of doing a tape up, which we'll do at a later episode, we're just going to take a look at all of these parts close up. But the other thing I wanted to mention to you is the boxing. I got to tell you, Airfix put a lot of thought into the boxing. Everything is nice and tight. All the trees are in vacuum sealed plastic, and they even took the clear parts and wrapped them in bubble wrap before they sealed them to protect them. You don't see that on too many aircraft kits these days. So as you dig down through the layers, one of the first things you're going to notice is how tight everything fits inside the box, so it won't shift around and damage any of these parts. And I gotta tell you, it's just superb. So what we're going to do is dig down all the way to the bottom and find the instructions. And we'll take a look at the fuselage. This kit's got well over 1,000 parts to it, but I got to tell you, if you take your time and super detail it, you'll have one heck of a model. So, one of the things I noticed was on the wings, you get two choices and two sets of wings. Ones that are in the folded position, and at the bottom layer where the fuselage is, you get a set of wings if you don't want to do the wings folded. In addition to that, there's a 72-page instruction book, and I got to tell you, this is the best instruction book I have ever seen. Not only that, there's even detailed instructions on how to wire up the engine. So with that, let's take a close look at all the scanned parts, and then we'll talk about it for just a moment on the back side. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed the detailed review of all the scan parts. Yeah, there were a lot of scans there, but you know what? There's a lot of parts in this kit. It is superbly detailed, and I have a suspicion everything goes together nice and tight with very, very few areas where you need to be concerned about. Airfix, you did an outstanding job, and maybe, just maybe, in a year or two, we'll see an F4U Corsair super detailed and 1/24 scale. With that, have a great evening, be safe, don't forget to visit us at www.mikeashley.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Scale Modeling with Mike Ashley.